Okay, let's do reflections. So you're going to graph the reflection of the polygon on the given line. So for the x-axis, so this is the x-axis. So to envision a reflection like you're putting a mirror or you're folding it in half right here. So if you're bending along the x-axis, you're basically taking the x value and changing its sign. So you would be bringing B down here. So it is, or not x, the y-axis. If you're bending on the x, you're changing the y value. If you're bending on the x, you're changing the y value, okay? So your B would go from 1 to -1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to -5. 1, 2, 3, 3 to -3, okay? So if you're bending on the x-axis, your y is changing. Your x is going to stay the same. If you're bending on the x-axis, your x is going to stay the same. Your y is changing. All right. So if you're bending on the y-axis, if you're bending right here, your x is changing. Your y is staying the same. So it's going to fold this side, fold over here. So whatever this is, 1, 2, 3, it's going to be -3 over here. This 3 right here, -3 over there. Well, what about this guy? It's on the x-axis. It's on the fold. It does not change. It is the same. Whether it be the original or the prime, it's the same. Okay. So instead of folding on the axis, let's fold on the line. So if y equals 2, so y equals 2, 1, 2, well, where's the line go? This way. So it is going to bend along the x-axis, sort of, but at y equals 2. So we're going to bend right here. So what is the so which ones are going to change? So this is kind of a pain. So you have to look at what's above it. So 1, 2. B is above it by 2. So it's going to go below it by 2 then. 1, 2. So it'll be here. The same goes for the other points. What about this one? This one falls on the line, so therefore it doesn't change. Okay? That falls on the line, it doesn't change. This one is 1 below the line, so it's going to end up 1 above the line. This one is 1, 2, 3 above the line, so now it's going to be 3 below the line. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So it bends at +2. This guy is going to bend at x equals -1, so we'll go to x equals -1. That's right here, right? X, -1. So if it's going to bend here on this line, right? X equals -1 is an up and down line. That means this stuff's going to be folded over here along the -1 line. Okay, so 1, 2, that's 2 away from the line, so we'll go the other way. 1, 2, C is going to be here. For B, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that way, so now we're going to have to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. And then A, same thing. It'll come over here. Okay. This is bending on the y-axis. So right here, it's going to bend. That just means that C comes over here, B goes over there, A goes over there. Easy. Okay, this one's bending at y equals -3. So go up to, or down to -3. 1, 2, 3. The line is this way. Right? So this is going to fold over. And B will stay the same because it falls on the line. Same thing with y equals x. So, well, y equals x. That's right here, it's not. I don't think that one changes. Y equals negative x? It's a good question. You'll have to figure this one out. Same thing with this guy.